Okay, so here's a screenshot of my trade, 3 hours, and this was the entry point. I said it was going to go lower, and in 3 hours it did. Went quite a few pips lower, and 93% return made in 3 hours. So that's all well and good. And just to explain here, obviously this is an incredible return on money. The good point about all this is that trading binary options on currencies, you can't be stopped out, which is obviously a huge advantage. You only have to say that the price is lower in this particular trade. It doesn't matter how much lower it is, it just has to be lower. Now this is also a huge advantage and something I really like. You can select different time frames. I like that as well. So wow, isn't life fantastic? Well, almost. You do have to keep in mind some other details as well. Remember, the devil is in the detail. This is a big one. Keep this very much in mind at all times. If you are wrong, then you lose everything. That is all funds that you place on this trading position. Don't forget this because it really is extremely important. However, most people just want to gamble and place a bet on the currencies, whereas I do the same technical analysis as I do when I'm trading Forex spot and gather intelligence and data in just the same way as the banks and the hedge funds do. In the 90s, I was in the trading rooms of an investment bank, and in fact I worked for two during the 90s. So I know a little bit about it. Basically, with a little research and knowing what to look for, a trader can increase the probability and to some extent the risk. He or she, yes, ladies are welcome to trade. In fact, you ladies can be very good actually, has the right information to hand and indeed knows how to interpret and understand the significance of the data. You will not be right all the time because that's impossible and nobody can do that. But you can certainly trade with an advantage and an edge. The biggest mistake that probably 99% of people make is that they day trade and overtrade, ending up with many losses, their confidence shattered, and consequently probably lose all their money. However, if you're highly selective and focused with your choice of trades, then it might be quite profitable for you. So that's it for now. Very best regards to you all. Just to recap, today, pound dollar, 3 hours, 93% return. Okay, and just to show you a quick, that was it there. Okay, let me just increase that a little bit. And you can see we're in here, and indeed it went down. How did I know that? Well, you have to pay to know. Wish you all the best wherever you are in the world. Take it easy. I'm going for a swim.